How to add bank transactions in QuickBooks. I've just logged into my QuickBooks, and from the left hand side we want to hover over transactions, and you will be able to locate bank transactions in the first slot. Just click on it. Once selected, you might be able to see a drop down menu here to add transactions, or you will see the screen as I am seeing right now. You will be given the option to upload your transactions manually by clicking on this button here. Once selected, it will show us this: manually upload your transactions, sign into your online bank account, export your bank statements in these formats, and then we can upload the bank statements by clicking on this button here, choosing the file and clicking on open. That way, if we click on continue, we will have manually added our bank transactions into QuickBooks. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.